Dear Mark, when I really needed your help, I didn't even have the strength to make the call myself. My sister called your helpline for me, and I'll always be grateful she did. Following a split from my wife, I was living in a B&B. It was the only place the council could find for me, and it was too far from my place of work, so I lost my job. I needed to find somewhere that meant I could be with my sons again, but there was nothing. I had a roof over my head, but not a home. When we got in touch with Shelter Cymru, I was convinced there was nothing that could be done. I was told there was nowhere to house me and my boys together. Their mum was ill, and I was frightened they'd be taken into care because she couldn't look after them full time. I don't know what you did or how, but within a week of making the call, we had the keys to a house that was big enough for us to move into together. My boys always called it the place where they slept, never home. Again, you gave us support while we made it ours. That house is now our home. My boys are settled in their schools and we're a family again. We can do normal things again now. One of my sons told me how much he's looking forward to Christmas this year. Not because he wants an Xbox or anything, but because simply having a fireplace means we have somewhere to hang stockings. This Christmas, I have my children and we have a home. Without Shelter Cymru, I might not have either. Thank you doesn't seem enough for all you've done for us. So thank you and Merry Christmas, Craig.